Or some are calling it a Christmas star, though it's really two planets in near perfect alignment. The two largest planets, to be exact here. We're talking about Jupiter and Saturn. 13 ABC's Dan Smith explains this phenomenon, all new at 5.
The winter solstice is coming up, and it just so happens another planetary event will occur on the same day.
Anytime two objects get close to each other on the night sky, we call that a conjunction. And these happen all the time. And it just so happens that there is what's called a great conjunction coming up on December 21st.
Jupiter and Saturn will keep appearing closer and closer together in the southwest sky over the next several nights, finally appearing to align almost perfectly the evening of the 21st.
They will be within 0.1 degrees of each other, or 1/5 the size of the moon, which is a very, very small angle, almost at the limit of what your eye can resolve naked eye.
Dr. Cushing wants to clear up the internet rumor mill and says, no, the planets will not actually collide.
It's kind of like seeing two airplanes cross in the sky and you sort of think they might hit, and it turns out one was 3,000 feet, higher in altitude than the other one. So they're not going to collide.
It's a little like how supermoons only appear barely larger than usual. Not very spectacular and not really on many astronomers' radar.
For professional astronomers, it has no real value because we can observe these planets anytime we want.
Still, great conjunctions between the two largest planets in our solar system are rare.
The last time there was one, it was 1623, but that happened and it was very close to the sun, and so no one really saw it. And so the last time people could really see it was in the Middle Ages, back in the 1200s.
Dr. Cushing says any excuse to get people interested in science is a good one.
It gets people to look up instead of looking down at their cell phones. And so anytime we can get anyone to go outside, get some fresh air, look up at the night sky, appreciate their place in the universe, I think that's a good thing.
At least you won't have to wait another 800 years for the next great conjunction, expected in the year 2080. Dan Smith, 13 ABC Action News.